How y'all doing? I'm Will to be free, live here at Buttermilk Falls, Indiana County. Let's check this place out. I just seen a bunch of chunks of ice falling off there, so I don't know how safe it is to get close right now. I'm gonna go in and take a look. Inside here, there's a passageway. I wouldn't recommend trying to get to it. You see the fence in there. You can hang out there in the summer, you know, or whenever it is like this. We're east of Pittsburgh here, about 58 miles. Anyway, time to go. Have a great day.